Hey, are you working professional and stressed due to various causes at your workplace? Then this video series is only for you, and right now you are watching the first video of this series, that is an introduction video. Namaskar, welcome to the Life Changers. I am Dr Shruti Chaturvedi, a certified health and wellness specialist. Being a spiritually grounded minimalist, I and my husband Mr. Prashant Tripathi, a global strategic consultant, health and education, are on a mission to help 100,000 working professionals live a healthy, stress-free life. See, stress can indeed contribute in the development of pre-diabetic conditions among working professionals. It serves as a warning sign that an individual is at an increased risk of developing diabetes if an appropriate lifestyle changes are not made. In order to achieve that, we established the Life Changers and created a model called Life Changing Model System. Today onwards, we are starting a series that is a triple S series, means 6 steps strategy series to overcome workplace stress to live a healthy life. It's not possible to share everything in one go. That's why we decided to develop this series. And during the whole series, we are committed to providing all the possible helpful content step by step. So keep watching whole the series to get all related informations. And I request you to have a pad and a pen with you while watching the video so that you can jot down key points. Well, if you find our approach helpful and useful, then click the link given in the description to get free ebook related to a few stress-free techniques. To stay connected, subscribe to the channel and of course, keep sharing so that others can benefit. Thank you for your valuable time and believe in your ability to achieve whatever you set your mind to. Believe me, you can, right? See, workplace stress is a normal occurrence, but how to handle it effectively is more important. Taking care of your physical and psychological health can create a healthier and happier work-life balance. So keep smiling and take care. Have a good time. God bless you and see you in the next video. Namaste.